Greetings! We are pouring Chris Kaler's Herkimer Diamond pendants that are available in his updated course. We are setting the grid up. We have some Lemurian seed crystals that have been charged by, well, basically the crystals at the center of the earth, which is not at the center of the earth, it's at a place on the surface of the earth. We got some sun rings, another crystalline pyramid that are beaming our charging procedures, which is about 40 different frequencies. We have a aquamarine that we have, well, was gifted to us by the mountain. Tesla plate, more of the grid. There's a beamer beaming our frequencies. We're going to be doing singing bowls. There's a phenakite orgonite. Got some more Lemurian seed crystals. Yeah, alright, so here we go. So we got a sun ring and a divinity ring set together with one of my beaming orgone tools. Alright. So the tip of our Orgone Pendulums has a Herkimer diamond. They are actually a type of quartz. They are harder than normal quartz though. And they clear, clean, all sorts of negative energy, and they amplify intent. They're just very, very high resonant, and that is why we put them in the tips of Chris's pendulums. Alright, the first layer is being, well, it's setting. It has the Herkimer diamond there. Once that sets, we're going to put the super Ener-Chi layer, which is our special Orgone tech, on the next layer. Alright, this is the ingredients for the super Ener-Chi powder layer, which has about 50 metals, crystals, and herbs. It gets all mixed up, and it's usually the darker planar layer in our work, but it is the thing that makes our orgone way more cleaner, powerful, and makes the pendulums more accurate. So you can see it before it's mixed. Alright, this is the super Ener-Chi layer of the pendulums. They are now setting. There's going to be a final clear layer, and then we're going to handcraft some connections, swivels, and pendulum chains.